Today, I'm taking Ian on some of the more difficult tunnels at one of our favorite spots for it. And first, we have to test him on this one. It's pretty easy. He made it through no problem, so now we're going to take him to the more difficult one. It starts off completely dark, but as you get closer, you can start to see the other side of the cave. This one is so cool because it doesn't open back up to the open ocean. It's a small cavern with light coming through. Brittany followed right behind me, and then Ian came in next. The prize waiting for us at the end of this difficult cave was this incredible beam of light coming through. It shined bright on your hands, and when Brittany did it, it looked like she was holding a glowing treasure. This is definitely one of my favorite things in the ocean. Okay, that's all the stuff we saw. Bye!